What do we have here? This looks weird. But it is time for us to have a little fun on my channel. And me and my son are going to do the Bean Boozled challenge. So we have them all separated. And we're going to try them all. And the rules are you have to swallow them.
Oh my god, I don't want to swallow.
Guys, I know this is completely not a normal video for my channel, but I've been seeing people do the Bean Boozled challenge, and I wanted to do it with my sons. This is Trevin, and this is Talon, and we have them all laid out in the order that we're going to do them in. We're going to tell you which one of the flavors they could be, and we're gonna try it here. But one of the rules is you have to swallow the bean, no matter what it is, what flavor it is. So, okay, what is the first one? Okay, the green. All right, the green ones are gonna be either lime or lawn clippings, which is like basically grass.
That's not that bad.
So, okay.
We've all eaten at least one piece of grass.
Alright, so you pick one.
Come on,
don't put it in your mouth. We're going to put it in our mouth at the same time.
Don't know about you, buddy, but I've never had grass in my mouth.
I have.
Alright, lime or lawn clippings? Ready? Go. Lime.
I already don't know.
I can't tell either.
I got lime.
One.
I got grass.
Grass.
That's the taste.
Mmm.
Like lime.
Lime's good.
Y'all suck.
Mmm. Alright.
Aftertaste is terrible.
Okay, which one is this? Oh. Okay, these are the blue ones. This one is going to be either toothpaste, which this one absolutely hates the flavor of, or berry blue. I don't know why they put it backwards. Blueberry. Whatever. Pick one.
I know because it's berry blue.
Toothpaste or blueberry. Or berry blue. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I got toothpaste.
I got blueberry.
Toothpaste.
Exorcist.
Oh. It's almost like,
I got blueberry.
Crest. It's like Crest. With the crystals.
yeah, it's like tooth. It's like I'm brushing my teeth.
We got good
So
breath
far,
with
I've
that
been getting
one.
good ones.
So I'm the only one with toothpaste?
I said I got it too.
Oh, you did too?
I got blueberry.
Okay. Oh, you got blue twice.
My destiny was to get the toothpaste after eating the long clippings.
Oh. Okay. Now that I'm mentally clean.
Nobody cares.
I cannot do it.
What's the next one? Oh goodness. This one is either these are the brown ones.
No.
Either this one is chocolate pudding or canned dog food.
Oh, let me see my card quick.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
I'm scared.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
I got chocolate pudding. Y'all suck. Haha.
Oh, it's so bad. Oh, it's so bad.
This is
Oh,
good.
it's so bad.
I swallowed it. I got it.
Oh, God.
Chocolate pudding's good, guys. Let's try it out one day.
Ew. Ew, how do dogs eat this? Ew. Ew, get it out my teeth. Ew, it's stuck.
I don't want to know what these
Oh. No, that was horrible. Oh gosh.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. This might be one of the worst ones.
No.
No, it's licorice.
Licorice or skunk spray.
No.
I'm screwed either way.
Oh
And this
my
is only
God,
3, so
no.
we...
I'll pick one.
Wow, you would.
Okay, licorice or skunk spray.
No, I can smell it!
Okay, you're not supposed to smell it. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey, let's switch. Skunk spray isn't good.
I don't know.
Something's wrong with you.
I don't know either. This is definitely skunk spray. Licorice is bad, but it's not this bad. This is bad.
Really though.
Oh.
It stuck to my
man.
teeth.
Oh. The aftertaste. Oh.
Maybe I did get licorice and I just don't like it that much.
Oh.
I don't know what I got. I really don't.
It was just nasty, right?
Kind of nasty. Right
Oh. You smell it?
Get the hell out of my face.
Oh, please.
I just skunk sprayed you. Okay, what's next?
Jerk.
Which one is this one? Oh, okay. Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks?
No. Oh my god, I do not.
Just choose one.
Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks? Ready? 1,
Oh, no.
2, 3. Tutti Frutti. Tutti Frutti. Tutti Frutti. Tutti Frutti.
I got Tutti Frutti.
Tutti Frutti.
I had a bag of these the other day.
Tutti Frutti.
You
You got Stinky Socks?
I can't.
You can't spit it.
You have to swallow it.
Don't ask me how dirty socks taste like.
Ew, Tutti Frutti's good. I like that one.
My favorite's the cotton candy.
No.
Okay.
Please.
Which one's this one? Oh,
No.
this is either juicy pear or booger. Get back over here.
I'm not doing it.
You don't have to if you don't want to. Me and Trevor will do it.
What? No, Ty, you better come over here and do this.
No.
You have
You
to. Come on.
I can't.
You gotta be a trooper.
Trooper. You can't walk out in the middle of the video.
Oh,
Alright, it's either pear,
you said this already.
juicy pear, or booger. Ready?
No.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, I got burnt.
Alright.
Alright.
Goodness, excuse him.
I got booger.
I cannot.
You have to.
I cannot.
Ew! Ew!
That's more than boogers.
To all you little 2-year-olds that walk around that put your finger up your fucking nose and you just stick it into your mouth and you're all like, how the fuck do you find that delicious? That is disgusting.
Dirty socks and booger compared. I'm up to you.
Rinse your mouth out. We got 3 left to go.
This isn't good because my stomach's gonna be so upset after this.
Oh man, this is my worst one.
No.
Is it? Oh no, this one is either caramel corn or moldy cheese.
Oh no.
Alright, well, see, I'm gonna choose a nice one that's not all red, you know.
What is it? Caramel or what?
Don't
Moldy cheese. All right, 1, 2, 3. I'm scared. Ah! Oh my god! Ew, ew! Get it over with! Get it over with! Get it over with! Get it over with! Get it over with!
Tom's disqualified.
I'm gonna throw up.
He already spit it out.
Yeah,
Y'all some pussy.
oh, that's all bad. Ooh.
See, I think I'm gonna start eating a lot of caramel corn, guys.
I can't.
Oh, that was so bad. That was so bad.
I still get the aftertaste.
Oh, I know. Yeah, the aftertaste is even horrible.
At first I was like, oh, this tastes good. I mean,
Can you imagine going out on a date with a girl? She's like, hey, baby, her breath smells like this. Oh my god.
Oh, why did I just burp from that?
Excuse you. You're on camera, so excuse you. Alright.
No, you gotta get in the picture for one, and then two, you better apologize to them
Get back in the camera.
I'm sorry.
Alright. So these are the white ones. This one's either coconut or baby wipes.
No.
I'm screwed either way because I hate coconut.
Coconut or baby wipes.
I hate both.
I can't smell anything, so I think I got coconut.
Coconut or baby wipes. 1, 2, 3.
I get baby wipes.
Oh, I got baby wipes. Why am I getting all the bad ones?
These were all baby wipes because I got like that small little alcohol smell / taste you get from baby wipes.
Yeah. Oh.
They screwed us all over.
Oh. Oh, okay.
It's
now
weird.
it's settling in.
It's kind of weird because you can like
The more you chew it, the worse and worse and worse the taste gets. So, yeah.
The thing is though is that my mouth with the taste, it's connecting it with the smell. Like it tastes just as bad as it smells.
Okay, guys.
Oh my god.
We saved this one for last because this is either barf or peach. And honestly, I think personally I'd rather get barf because just the smell of a peach will make me barf. So
Oh my god.
I don't know what's going to happen here, but this is the last one. Peach or barf.
Oh my god, I didn't.
See, Tal, you should get the one with the nice big red spots. I'm just saying. He's too scared.
Alright. Peach or barf.
No.
This is the worst one. Last one, guys. Ready?
No, I'm not ready.
Well, I'm not ready
I
either.
don't want to do this.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go. Peach. Ew, 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 ew. Peach.
I got peach.
Oh! Oh!
She's gonna throw up. So, guys.
Oh my god, just hit. The answer is
Talon. Alright, so welcome to the Trevor Dan House interview, guys. No, get out of here. I'm having a one-on-one interview.
I got
Oh, God.
I got bars.
You got barf?
Yeah.
I got peach.
And it tastes just like it.
Oh, God.
How do you know what barf tastes like?
When you throw up, you taste it.
Oh.
Duh.
My tongue goes like down. It's a reflex. I don't taste my dang barf.
Oh my
That's
god.
nasty.
We got 2 more of those. You want to do them?
I'm good.
A barf, and I have one. I have 2 more.
Hello, if you pay me $5, I'll do both of them right now.
I don't
I'll
want.
actually eat all the leftovers right now, all in one sitting. I'll mix them all together. Pay me $5. Or not.
Alright, guys. Well, that was our Boozled challenge. That was super fun. Super disgusting, but it was fun to do a video with my kids and something off subject for once. Talon's finally making it back over here. Alright, guys. Well, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below.
Please.
And subscribe. It's free. Come on. Nothing else is free these days. Subscribe below. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Talk to you guys later. Bye.